Are you tired of watching your hard-earned balance disappear on Deriv because of a single emotional mistake or a split-second delay? We've all been there. The frustration of manual trading is real. But today, I'm bringing you the ultimate solution, PivotCore.net. This is a cutting-edge auto-trading platform built specifically for Deriv traders who want to remove the stress and add robotic precision to their game. PivotCore isn't just a tool, it's your professional trading partner that never sleeps, never gets tired, and never makes emotional decisions. In this 10-minute deep dive, I'm going to show you exactly how to automate your success and transform the way you look at synthetic indices. Today, we're putting the digit differ strategy to work. Most people try this manually, but the market moves way too fast for human fingers to keep up. That's where PivotCore shines. My plan for this session is a highly disciplined 10-trade sequence, aiming for at least 9 out of 10 wins. The differ strategy has a massive statistical advantage because we're betting that the next tick will not be a specific number. When you combine this high-probability strategy with the lightning-fast execution of PivotCore.net, you create a powerhouse for consistent account growth. I've set my parameters, and now it's time to let the automation take over. While the bot is scanning for the best entry, let's look at why PivotCore.net is leading the market. The interface is incredibly user-friendly. You don't need to know a single line of code to build a powerful bot. It connects seamlessly with your Deriv account, giving you real-time data and instant execution. You have total control over your stake, your take profit, and most importantly, your risk management. In a 10-minute window, you can see how the platform stays stable and responsive. Whether you're a beginner just starting your journey or a veteran looking to scale your profits, PivotCore provides the infrastructure you need to win consistently. Watch the screen as the trades start to roll in. Notice the speed. The moment the algorithm identifies a safe tick pattern, the trade is executed. There is zero hesitation. As we move through our 10-trade plan, you can see the rows of green starting to build. This is the beauty of the differ strategy on an automated system. Even if the market gets volatile, the bot remains calm. We're looking for that 90% success rate today. By removing the click panic of manual trading, we're allowing the math to work in our favor. This is what professional trading looks like: calculated, calm, and completely automated. We are nearing the end of our trade sequence, and the results are undeniable. Trading isn't about getting lucky once, it's about being consistent over time. PivotCore.net allows you to walk away from the screen while your strategy keeps working. Think about how much time and mental energy you save when you aren't fighting the charts yourself. In this session, we've demonstrated that with a clear plan and the right technology, hitting a 9 out of 10 win rate is not just a dream, it's a repeatable reality. This platform empowers you to treat trading like a business rather than a gamble. And there it is, 10 trades completed, and we hit our 9-win goal perfectly. The profit is in the balance, and the process was completely stress-free. If you're ready to stop losing and start winning with the power of automation, you need to be on PivotCore.net right now. Don't wait for another manual loss to convince you. Head over to the site, connect your Deriv account, and start your own automated journey today. Check the link in the description to join our community of successful traders. It's time to trade smarter, trade faster, and trade better with PivotCore. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the top.